Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to play against the bots in Marvel Rivals. So there are a couple of ways you can do this. So all you have to do is just simply launch the game on your PC or on your console. And then from here, select play. And then now from here, before you start a match, simply select change mode. And now you should see a couple of modes. So if you want to play against a bot, there are a couple of ways. The first one is by simply selecting practice versus AI. Now you can choose the difficulty, this level, you can choose either that one, or you can choose the highest level. So choose the level you prefer, so let me just leave it at this. And then once you select it, you can just start a match, and now you'll be paired against bots in that particular match. Now another way you can play against bots is by simply going to the practice arena. So all you have to do is simply select change mode, and then select practice. And then from here, select practice arena. Now from here, you'll see this enter practice arena. You'll still stay in the current team. After entering practice arena, you can simply confirm and then give it a few seconds. And then choose your hero you'd like to use in the practice arena. So select that one, confirm. And now you can play against bots in practice arena.
When people don't listen to animals.
So as you can see, these are the bots here, right here. These are the bots you can play against, or you can practice your skills in the practice arena. Now another way is by simply creating a custom game against the bots. So let me just exit that. So all you have to do is simply select play and then select change mode. At this point, select custom game. Then now you should see a list of all the custom games that are currently created. Now since you want to play against the bots, select create. And then from here you should see this page. Now to add bots, simply select add bots. And then you should see this menu. So you can choose which team you want to add bots for. You can either choose to autofill, or you can choose team A or team B. So let me just leave it at autofill. And then you can choose the difficulty. So there's easy, normal, or hard. So select the one that you prefer. So let's just leave it at normal. And then you can choose the AI count. You can either choose to reduce the AI count or increase the AI count. Once you make the changes, simply select confirm. Now you can also change the individual bot you can customize the individual bot rather to suit your needs. So for instance, you can customize this particular bot. So all you have to do is select them and then press the right button on your mouse, or you can simply select them on your controller, and then you should see this menu. So select adjust bots, and then from here now you can choose the hero you'd like that bot to be. So let's say for instance Magneto. So select that, and then you can choose that particular difficulty of that particular bot. So let's put it at hard and then confirm. Now you can repeat the same for all these other heroes. Additionally, you can customize the room settings. So you can select room settings, then you can name the game name of that particular room, and also you can decide to lock the room. And if you lock the room, that means you have to have a password for you to access that room. Also, you can choose who to join. Either you can choose open to all, you can choose friends only or invite only. So I'll just leave it at that. And you can choose to allow if you want some spectators to be in the game. So you can choose friends only. You can choose not to open to all, or you can select no spectating. And then you can also choose this ban or pick settings. So you can choose team vote or leader only, or no ban or pick vote. Now, once you're done, simply confirm, select confirm. And then now you can select at this point, this icon or this image to choose the map. So you can either choose the quick match map, competitive, or arcade. So choose the one that you prefer. You can choose the multi-select option, which allows you to select different maps that you prefer. Or you can simply select all and it will select all the maps. So choose the mode you prefer, let's say competitive, and then select all, and then confirm your changes. Once done, simply select start, and that will launch a match against the bots. So those are the basic ways that you can use to play against bots in Marvel Rivals. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.